Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Write the molecular, structural and skeletal formula for 2-propanone. Correct answer is molecular formula H6O, structural formula CH3COCH3, skeletal formula CH3COCH3. In 2-propanone, also known as acetone, the molecular formula C3H6O represents its composition of 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The structural formula CH3COCH3 shows the arrangement of atoms with the carbonyl group C equal O in the middle of the molecule flanked by the 2 metal CH3 groups. The skeletal formula CH3COCH3 provides a simplified depiction of molecule highlighting the carbon backbone and functional groups present in 2-propanone. These representations are essential for understanding the chemical structure and properties of this widely used solvent and intermediate in various industrial processes.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.